Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here.
In tactical air war, the role of the transport pilot is equally as important as a fighter pilot or a bomber pilot. In this video, we're going to look at how and why dropping supplies to a friendly city is extremely important. Basically, a city with enough supply points will generate an attacking column. Those tanks will attack the nearest enemy airfield. Throughout the attacking phases, the city will try to resupply the tank column, either via a bridge or a supply column. If the city has enough supply points, it will also provide artillery support. A sustained and successful attack on the enemy airfield cannot be maintained unless the city has enough supply points. New offensives may be launched from Karmenova or Rzhev, but not from Peredel. A cargo drop zone will appear beside any city with less than 50 supply points. Look in the manual as to how to do the cargo drop. Then fly your mission, and as you would with paratroopers, make sure that you're at least 300 meters or 1,000 feet above the ground. Because it takes a long time to drop all the cargo, you need to fly a circle within the circle of the drop zone to make sure that everything lands within it. Every successful drop should increase the city's supply points by 5. One thing to keep in mind is that the airfield that you took the supplies from will have its supplies depleted by the same amount. And this is where the regular air transport to the airfields is important as well. Heroes may win the fight, but logistics wins the war. And so this is what makes tactical air war so challenging. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe, or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you guys.